Hi there, and welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today, we're taking a look at an enhancement to the Apply and Save feature. With this update, you can now apply changes like column selection, sorting, and grouping, and choose whether those changes are temporary or permanent. Let's get started. First, click on the gear icon, then select Setup. On the left side, in the search box, type Custom Settings. Click Manage next to Data Grid Settings. Make sure all of these options are enabled. Now, let's go back to our grid. Open the Grid Explorer and apply a few changes. But this time, we're going to click Apply Only. All the changes are applied successfully. Now, let's reload the page and check if those changes are still there. As you can see, none of the configuration was saved. Now, let's add the filter again, but this time click Apply and Save. We'll do the same for sorting, and again for grouping. Now, let's reload the page. Perfect. Now the changes made with Apply and Save stay in place, even after refreshing the page. Thank you for watching.